Hello all my dear friends, first of all welcome back to my channel. I'm Prasad. This is the part 2 of Aquaman drawing, and if you have not seen the outline tutorial yet, then please go to the I button and watch the outline tutorial first. In this video I'm starting to color up the drawing from this to that. Let's start the drawing. Okay, first most important thing, see this box. In this box I will mention the all color that I using when drawing. It will help you to catch the color very easily. For your convenience, I put this box in bottom left corner. I use Luna watercolor pencil to color up the drawing. I will give the all materials link in the description box. Okay, just follow my hand. I started with light colors. This drawing has a skin texture, and that's why it took me a little longer to do this drawing, and so that this video will be a little longer. And now please follow my hand. Is it not helpful? By the way, if you reduce the playback speed of the video to 0.75, then it will be more easier to recognize all the colors. And if you think the video is a little big or too slow, then please increase the playback speed and watch. Touch the 3-dot button in upper right corner to get the playback speed section. I will make a separate video on skin texture without using highlight knives. I did this drawing without using highlight knives. I used whitener to draw highlights. I can make a tutorial more detailed than this video, and I will do this in the next tutorial video. That video will be in Hindi. Somewhere I use 0.5 mm mechanical pencil to draw slim strokes, like in the hair, eyebrows and beard. I will make a more detailed tutorial video on how to draw water stroke, water stains and water drop, and this will make it more easier for you. I'm so sorry for this late. Actually, I was thinking about this box. Somewhere I use Apsara Handy pencil to draw darkest area. Thank you so much for being with me to the end. I promise next tutorial video is coming very soon, just in 1 or 2 days. तब तक के लिए bye bye. You are practicing very well, my dear friend.